The DJI Goggles N3 are almost here. And yeah, we've already seen most of the design and the key specs. There's not a ton of surprises left, but with these new photos that just dropped, there's still some pretty interesting stuff to dig into. The biggest highlight? They'll be available separately, not just bundled, which is great news for anyone who doesn't want to splurge on a full combo kit. According to Jasper Ellens on X, buyers can choose between a Neo Motion combo or just the Goggles N3. This clears up earlier rumors about the goggles being bundle only. And retailers like MediaMarkt are already set up for the release, with pricing details showing around €529 for the combo, including 2 batteries. So if you're just looking to upgrade your FPV headset, you're in luck. Jasper Ellens also dropped an interesting tidbit. He believes the Goggles N3 will come in at under £250. Now, if that's true, DJI could be positioning these at a more accessible price point than expected, which would be huge for anyone looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. A sub-pound $250 price would definitely open up options for both newcomers and seasoned FPV users, potentially making this one of the more budget-friendly ways to get into DJI's ecosystem without compromising on quality. Now, let's take a quick look at the design, which, let's be real, we've mostly seen before. But it's got that classic DJI style with a modern black and gray finish, dual antennas on top, and of course, a comfortable setup with padding and built-in ventilation system to keep you cool. Perfect for those marathon FPV flights. So, that's your inside look at the DJI Goggles N3. They'll be available soon, and if you're ready to dive into the FPV world with these, make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.